So Pepe is clearly being accumulated. All right. I'm expecting some type of move. I don't know if it's to the upside or the downside because of what we have going on in the macro environment currently. But the thing is, family, the Fed has to make a decision. Are they going to pause? Are they going to hop? Or are they going to continue the rate hikes? We did have some conflicting news come out today with the job market and potentially the economy getting stronger. So that's all the fuel for the Fed to continue to hike the rates. But the thing is, family, the one thing we got in our back pocket right now for the states is the debt ceiling and the debt ceiling crisis. So if they, don't come up with if they don't come up with a solution to the debt ceiling crisis, they're going to have to turn on the money printer, which kind of like is a double-edged sword because we'll see more inflation. In fact, we're seeing countries that got double digits in inflation. It's your boy Crypto Millio back with another one. Today we're going to be talking about Pepe, what I'm seeing on the Pepe charts. And first and foremost, full transparency, this is not financial advice. I'm not asking you to ape into what I'm aping in. Do your own research, find your own ways, learn from the strategies, and apply it to your plan. Also, leave in a comment if you think Pepe is dead. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to know from you guys if you're still accumulating Pepe. Now, taking a look at the charts here, family, you can see we finally got a little bit of information on DEX tools with the daily, and the stock RSI is curling up right here, oversold. And the thing about it is we've been trading between the 618 and the 786 for weeks now, really accumulating. If we would have seen some wick candle down to my my line of support here, which is around 609, and if we broke 609, then I probably would be a little bit of concern. But because I'm seeing this in accumulation here, right, from Pepe, just look at it. It's beautiful accumulation here. It tells me that this thing is boiling up for the next move to the upside. Of course, again, we'll have to get some more clarity on the macro environment. This project has 116,000 holders, and it's been holding a $600 million market cap. So a lot of people have been waiting for Pepe to die, and it just haven't died. And when you think about the history of Pepe and how we're getting a pro-Bitcoin president, hopefully DeSantis and other presidents who plan on running, other candidates who plan on running are pro-Bitcoin. This is the massive exposure that we need for not only altcoins, but strong meme coins like Pepe. And the question I got to you, family, is Pepe going to hold up long enough to gain the trust for people to become bag holders? Not in a negative light, but meaning a longer hold time. Something like Shiba Inu, something like Dogecoin. These people hold these meme coins like their utility tokens, like their blue chips. Will Pepe garner the trust from retail where people start holding this project and not subconsciously thinking or concerned about it? Because, you got the meme coins where you can't even hold. You got to take your profits or you're going to get wrecked. I think Pepe falls under that blue chip meme coin because we've personally been seeing it hold up over a $600 million market cap. And in fact, I think whales have been starting to stock up on Pepe as we see more listings here. Pepe just got listed here on Bitfinex. So again, the listings continue to roll in for Pepe, and hopefully down the line we can see something like a Coinbase or Robinhood listing. Like and subscribe if you want Coinbase and Robinhood to list Pepe. But taking a look at some of the things that I'm seeing in the macro environment, I told you guys I expect the DXY to curl up to 105 before getting rejected. If we break 105, we break the resistance that we have here, that could spell trouble for the whole entire crypto market, further confirming that this debt ceiling crisis is a lot more bigger than what we put on. And again, you've seen Ms. Yellen come out there and say, hey, if the U.S. run out of money, it'll be a economic crisis for not just, the average household, but also the traditional markets. On the positive though, the DXY is almost to the point where we are overbought. We are just not there yet. So we have to keep an eye and see if it knocks here at this resistance door, which is about 105. And again, this is the weekly chart, so this does play out, take time to play out. I know a lot of people look at these charts and think like, oh, tomorrow this is going to happen. Family, be aware of the time frame. Daily, weekly charts takes time to play out. You have to have patience in crypto. Patience is your best friend in crypto. Time could be your worst enemy depending on your liquidity situation. If you're a person that constantly have new money coming in, then you put yourself in a position to win. In fact, the people who are successful in crypto are the ones that constantly have new money coming in, dry powder on the side to be able to DCA going down as they add up to their bag. That way you're not just caught like holding the bag and now you have no money and we see a major drop and you're like, oh man, Millie, I don't have any money to buy the dip. So again, be cautious, take your time, have patience, but this is probably the best opportunity to maximize your hustle, maximize your drive, and put yourself in a position to have a little bit of extra liquidity if we do see a black swan event. We have to keep that in mind. The VIX has been going up around 19 and 20. I would like to see this thing somewhere between 16, 15, and 14 to confirm that we are in bullish cycle. Well, not a bullish cycle, to confirm that we have bullish momentum. The VIX, to me, shows the level of volatility, and the higher it is, the more volatile these projects will be. Because if cryptocurrency, if the stock market is volatile, then usually you see the same type of volatility with Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and altcoins. So keep that in mind. We need the VIX to go down a little bit more further to confirm that we do have bullish momentum. And taking a look at the total altcoin market cap, excluding ETH and Bitcoin, excluding Big Daddy ETH and Bitcoin, we did break the 200-day moving average, family, which is a bit bearish, but for opportunists, this is a great opportunity. Last time we broke the 200-day moving average, we were below it for about 7 weeks before we pushed back above. So anybody who bought altcoins while this thing was below the 200-day moving average probably made a whole lot of money on the way up as we seen that relief rally. Well, family, now we have another opportunity as these altcoins are at June lows, macro lows, and giving us entry points where we can see maximum gains going into the next halving cycle and Bitcoin bull cycle. Also, take note that the RSI finally is starting to curl up. We got two options that can happen. We can stay up, hang around here, down here for a few weeks, because this is a weekly chart as well, and then go up, which can confirm that this macro environment is going to be a little bit ugly, and we may see another leg down here to this support that we have around 290 billion. Or we could shoot back up like we seen here, V-shaped recovery, like we seen right here where we took a mean leg down and then we shot back up, V-shaped recovery. So only two things could possibly happen. Or you could say, we get the fake out, we go up. Well, actually, let me draw it so you guys can have a visual of what I'm talking about. Or if we get the fake out when we go up and then come back down and kind of like hang around up here and then go back up. So we got some situations. All the situations spell that we are oversold. So again, for the opportunists, this is an opportunity. And the reason I say that, because you got two crypto traders right now. You got the people that bought up at the top that are pissed the fuck off. They're really, really mad and feel like they lost money with a lot of these altcoins and meme coins. And then you got the people that's coming into space at the right time, that's buying at these floor levels and lows, and they're happy like, man, I'm ready for this thing to go up because they got some good entry points. And then you got the people that have liquidity on the side, have constant money coming in, and they're able to continue to DCA as we see new levels of support. So we'll have to keep that in mind. Make sure you go check out the Patreon. I just updated the Patreon. I did a full review on Chit Chat. I'm not sure if I'm going to bring it to the channel, so I'm always doing full reviews on micro caps and small cap cryptocurrency coins with utility, and also meme coins that have a little hype. We'll probably talk about Refund token, and we'll probably also talk about Refund, Mung, Chit Chat, and we'll probably talk about something else in the Patreon. So go check out the links, join the Patreon if that's something that you're interested in. Pepe, we'll just have to see, family. This was a macro update again, oversold on the daily, so we could be looking to make another move up, just to draw something for you guys. I know y'all guys love to see these little draws. Maybe we go hang out around here, go straight up. You feel me? But hang out around here and continue to accumulate. Or family, if we get some type of Fed pause or hop, that could be bullish for the market if the U.S. could come to a conclusion here with this debt ceiling. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Pepe, altcoins, total market. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm out.